I'm teacher EJ. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I would like to talk about a question from NMOS 2024, which is about 3% catch-up problem. Now, let's have a look. So from the question, we know that at the running race, competitor A, B, and C are running at constant speed. A is 100 meters ahead of B, and B in turn is 300 meters ahead of C. B is confident that he can catch up with A in 5 minutes, while C is certain that he can catch up with B in 10 minutes. How many minutes does C take to catch up with A? So everyone, how do we want to solve this question? Alright, so most of the time when we are solving the distance problem, what kind of figure that we are trying to draw? We are trying to draw out the rotating line. Alright everyone, now let's try to draw together. Now we say that A is 100 meters ahead of B. So what is the meaning of it? How do we want to draw our rotating line? Now let's try to assume that both A and B, they are running toward the right direction. We say that A is 100 meters ahead of B, which means that A should be in front of B. We say that A should be on the right side, B should be on the left side. Therefore, we draw one line, A on the right, B on the left, and they are 100 meters apart from each other. Then in the question, we also say that B in turn is 300 meters ahead of C. So again, B ahead of C. So we say that C should be at the left side, B should be at the right side. So we draw one line and we draw the C on the left side. And we say that B and C, they are 300 meters apart from each other. Alright everyone, now we say that B is confident that he can catch up with A in 5 minutes. Everyone, we say that B catch up with A in 5 minutes. Both of them, they are traveling to the right side, right direction. Which means that B will catch up with A in 5 minutes. Both of them, A is this solid line and B is the dotted line. They will reach to the same point. And B catch up with A in a total of 5 minutes. Now everyone, there is one question right here. In these 5 minutes, how many more meters B will have to travel as compared to A? It is 100 meters. You can see at this part, both of them, they reach at this point. B will have to travel these extra 100 meters. Now everyone, B have to travel the extra 100 meters to catch up with A. But do we know that in 1 minute, how many more meters B will have to travel as compared to A? How do we want to calculate it? We just have to use 100 divided by 5, which is 20 meters per minute. Alright, we say that B will travel 20 meters more than the A in 1 minute. But what is the meaning behind it? Actually, the 20 meters per minute right here, we are just using how many meters per minute traveled by B, subtract with how many meters per minute traveled by A. And how many meters per minute is actually what we call the speed. So at this point, we are just using the speed of B minus with the speed of A. Alright everyone. Now from the question, we also say that C is certain that it can catch up with B in 10 minutes. Alright everyone. So we say that B will start to travel from here. C will start to travel from here. Now let's try to draw the loading line together. So B will start from here. We draw another dotted line from B. And then C will start from here. We draw another bigger dotted line from C. And now we say that both of them, they will travel and then they'll meet at this point. This is where C will catch up with B. Alright everyone, we say that they will need a 10 minutes. Now in these 10 minutes, C will travel how many more meters as compared to B? It is 300 meters. Everyone, you see that this is the extra meter they have to travel by C. And again, in 1 minute, how many more meters C will have to travel as compared to B? How do we calculate that? It will just be 300 divided by 10, we will get at 30 meters per minute. Which means that C will travel 30 meters more than B in 1 minute. Again, we say that 30 meters per minute, the meaning behind it is actually just using the speed of C minus with the speed of B. Alright everyone, now in this question, what we want to find is how many minutes does C take to catch up with A. Alright everyone, in this question right here, A started to travel from here, C started to travel from here. So let's also try to draw out the rotating line. We say that A started to travel here. The solid line represents the traveling for A. And then we draw the bigger dotted line for C. You see, we start from here. So we draw the bigger dotted line. And then they will meet each other. C will catch up with A at this point. In this question, we need to find how many minutes does C take to catch up with A. Everyone, to find out the time needed, how many minutes is needed. What is our requirement? What do we need to have? Oh, we just have to use distance different divided by the speed different. Alright everyone, you see now in this question right here, distance different, do we know about it? Oh, you see in our figure right here, in our routing line, we said that A started to travel from here, C started to travel from here. You see, the distance in between two of them, this part, what is it? It is actually just 300 plus 100. It is just 400 meters. And everyone, how about the speed difference between C and A? How do we want to find it? Alright, no worry, let's try to observe together. Everyone, you see that we say that this part right here, 30 meters per minute, this is the speed. We see that C speed minus with B speed is equal to 30, right? Which means that C will have traveled for extra 30 meters per minute, right? Then we say that this part, B minus A, it is 20. The speed is 20 more than A. B 20 more than Everyone, so if I want to find the speed of C compared to A, how many more in extra? How do we want to find it? Think about it. Oh, we say that C compared to B is 30 extra. B compared to A is 20 extra. So to find out C and A is actually just 30 plus 20. And it is equal to 50 meters per minute. So we say that the speed of C minus with the speed of A is just equal to 50 meters per minute. Everyone, now that we have the distance difference, we have the speed difference. How do we find the time needed here? How many minutes does C take to catch up with A? We just have to use 400 divided by 50. It is equal to 8 minutes. And this is our final answer. Alright everyone, let's summarize what we learned from this question. So we said that for 3-person catch-up problem, what will be our first step? Our first step is to draw out the road line to visualize the condition. How about our second step? So our second step is that we can find out the time by using the distance difference divided by the speed difference. Alright everyone, now you may try to do this practice question and you can leave your answer at the comment section below. So you may join our WhatsApp group for more information about our activity. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.